Hello and welcome to this brand new success story series of FlexiFunnel beta users. I am Nanya Verma from team FlexiFunnels, and here we bring to you inspiring success stories of people who have achieved a minimum mark of 50,000 rupees within a very short period of time using the platform of FlexiFunnels and are now finally living their dreams of generating massive results over the internet. And again, for today's interview, we have an ambassador, new story, and new business numbers that you can also achieve using FlexiFunnels. So, for today's interview, we have Om Prakash with us. Om, our audience are keenly waiting for you to tell us your inspiring success story and how did you achieve ambassador feat. So, please start by introducing yourself and tell us what do you do.
Great, great. So first of all, my name is Omprakash Sharma. Okay, and I'm running agency, and which name is Snap Digital Agency. Basically, we provide service, digital marketing service to coaches, not only coaches, to all businessmen. Okay, from international as well as in Indian. So yeah, that's great. So we are providing services. We first of all we understand their business, what is their business model, how we can grow their ROI and their revenue. Okay, and then after that we help them. So that's how we are working with them.
Okay, so you basically help them in growing their revenue, and you are working with Indian and international businesses both, right?
Right.
Okay, all right, that's great. So, Om, please tell us, like, before using FlexiFunnels, what exact things you were doing in your online journey, and what specific things were there that were hindering your growth in the online world?
Okay, to be honest, before FlexiFunnel I didn't use any tool. I'm not a technical person. Okay, miss I even though I not make a website on WordPress. Okay, I don't know that. I don't know technical things. Yeah, I know sales, how to close the deals, how to do that all things, but I don't have any technical knowledge before using FlexiFunnels. But when I'm a timeline domination member, okay, so I got the access of FlexiFunnel in beta version. Okay, and it is very easy to use. The training by Manan, Siddhant, okay, Saurabh sir. So the training is very easy and very easy to use. It's just drag and drop and making funnels. And in timeline domination, I got all knowledge of business, that how to grow their business. And along with that, I got the software also. So by using that software, things become very easy. Because I didn't use, but if I tell about other names, like let's suppose ClickFunnels is there are so much Igloo is there. Okay, so these are, first of all, I'm an Indian. Okay, and to be honest, in my starting phase, I don't have good financial situation, that how to because these prices a little bit high. Okay, so initial time I don't have that resources, so I'm not able to purchase these things. But I'm a digital timeline domination member, so I got a FlexiFunnel beta version. Okay, and by using that, it's very easy. So yeah, so I'm not technical person. I just use FlexiFunnel first time, and yeah, and right now we are making funnels, we are making landing page, we are hosting their courses on our payment, and all automation we are doing by using FlexiFunnel, and it's just like 2 to 3 clicks works only.
Okay, that is awesome. So basically, coming from a non-technical background completely, you are able to set up your entire online business processes over FlexiFunnels itself, right? So
Right.
actually, that was my next question to be asked. How you have grown your business and what impact that FlexiFunnels have brought on your business, and if you can tell us a little bit of your revenue numbers so that our audience are better able to understand that how they can also impact their lives using FlexiFunnels.
Yes, definitely. As I said that I'm a digital timeline domination member. Okay, and to be honest, I don't have resources in terms of money and that all things. Okay, so first of all, how I started. Okay, I started learning digital marketing things from timeline domination. Okay, along with Saurabh sir's mentorship. Okay, means I used to ask lots of questions to Saurabh sir. Okay, I'm not good in sales also, so I know I learned that how to pitch a client. Okay, how to do each and everything, how to make logics, each and everything I learned. Okay, then after that, in August, yeah, in August I got the access of a FlexiFunnel. Okay, So I make I learned that all things, and it's very easy. Means within 15 days I learned that how to create landing pages. Okay, how to build funnels, each and everything. Okay, I practice a lot, because you know that practice is required to
True.
become perfect in that thing, right?
Right.
So yeah, so if I tell you honestly, like I learn all things from timeline domination, which is Saurabh sir's mentoring program. Okay, and I implement that all things through FlexiFunnel. Okay, and if I talk about on numbers, recently I closed a deal of $1,750. Okay, for making landing pages, for all automations, for um uh, all things. Okay, back end parts, all things you know might well. Okay, then after that, what happened that that client, he want to again he's launch his program, he want to host program. Okay, and he's searching about there is multiple tool are there, teachable is there. Okay, and there is another platform. Miss he search about that, and he find that their prices is $99 per month. Okay, means yearly they are getting $1,200. $1,200 they have to pay on a yearly basis, right?
Right.
So and I know that in FlexiFunnel we can host our course also, right? And it's unlimited. So what I did, I just showed him that I have a copywriting program access also, which is already included in timeline domination. Okay, I show them that this type of course you can host also. We have access of. Okay, and we upsell them in it's very less amount. To we charge only, we upsell them in $250 only. Okay, means 1,750 plus $250 means it's right now that
Hmm.
deal is $2,000. Okay, but he is very happy when I show him copywriting course. Like he's very surprised that the loading of that video is very fast as compared to other paid platforms. So I'm not talking only about quality. Okay, along with that, the quality means loading the page speed, loading the course. He was very happy, and we charge him $250. Okay, it's upsell. $2,000 means 1,60,000. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, सो मतलब वो चीजें हो रही है, एंड वी गॉट कॉन्फिडेंस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि हमें कॉन्फिडेंस मिल गया कि अगर हम $2,000 की डील क्लोज करते हैं, एंड इफ वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग गुड सर्विस, गुड वैल्यू, मतलब सारी चीजें, इफ वी आर एबल टू गिव देम गुड रिजल्ट, in future we are able to close $5,000, $10,000. Yeah, people are doing. Okay, just thing is that कि हम जो इंडिया में लोग हैं, we are not aware कि what is potential. Okay, and जो टाइमलाइन डोमिनेशन में जो चीजें बताई गई है भैया ने, वो चीजें हम अच्छे से यूज करते हो, उनको रिजल्ट आने ही आने हैं, एंड वंस दे गॉट रिजल्ट मीन्स, एंड वो जो $2,000 है, इट्स नॉट वन टाइम, इट्स रिकरिंग क्लाइंट्स. Okay,
True.
so
True.
I'm so excited for next 5,000 and big deals, to closing more deals.
We are also excited for you to crack these big deals, Om. And that was a really elaborated story, and like how you made the upsell within like after one service and using the same platform. That is actually the power of FlexiFunnels, and uh, it is a really inspiring story for people who are just fearful of starting into the online journey, and they're just searching, they are just limiting themselves because of the different technicalities of entering into this online world. So
Right.
thank you for elaborating on that part a lot.
And again, I mean, it's not only about pricing, charging the prices. Okay, it's all about quality. Okay, when I show him that course, how course hosting, how what is your loading speed. Okay, means he was so much happy. Means he like surprised. Means he got wow feeling. कि भाई क्या है ये? Okay, means it's very much than teachable and that all things. Okay, तो जो लोडिंग स्पीड है, जो पेज का लोडिंग स्पीड है, जो कोर्स का लोडिंग स्पीड है, दैट इज ग्रेट लेवल. सो इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट चार्जिंग मनी, it's about quality also, and if we are giving them quality, so we can easily charge a very high amount. Even though then after one of my friends said that you can easily charge $500 rather than $250.
True,
Okay,
true.
so but that's great.
That is very nice. So, like now that you have already started on this journey and you're already doing great, so what is your plan to hit those big numbers that you're just talking about? Have you any roadmap laid down yet, or you are now you need to plan a roadmap? Like, how do you plan about scaling?
Right. Okay, so basically in my starting phase I was doing all works, to reach out, to technical work, to market research, to find out, to reading ad copy, everything. Okay, so right now I hire interns who are doing reach out for me. Okay, there are some team members are there. Okay, and the main thing is that we are focusing on quality, like FlexiFunnel, right? So we are focusing on quality. Like if we are providing them quality, let's suppose I have a client, his ticket size is $2,000 for a single client. Okay, if we are able to give them 10, 20 clients, he easily able to make 40,000, 30,000, $40,000. Okay, I'm talking about dollar. Okay, so if we are providing more ROI to him, okay, so definitely he will pay us, okay, more things again. And if you got one good testimonial, okay, let's suppose if he is able to generate 40,000, $50,000, okay, from our service, then easily in future we can charge $5,000, $10,000, and we will again we will not reback on a small number of clients. Let's suppose there are the people who are giving $10,000, 20,000 rupees. Okay, जो 10,000 20,000 रुपीज देते हैं, हम उनके पास अभी जाएंगे नहीं. ओके, आवर टारगेट इज लाइक $5,000, $10,000 उसी पे. एंड वी मोस्टली वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स बिकॉज द थिंग इज दैट देयर करेंसी इज वेरी हाई. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट मतलब इंडियन क्लाइंट्स नहीं देते, वो भी देते हैं, बट वहाँ पे इजीली वो कर लेता है. तो और राइट नाउ आवर फोकस इज ऑन इंटरनेशनल क्लाइंट्स ओनली.
Okay, all right. So definitely you will get good Indian clients and international clients, surely. And as you're providing value, so you clients will understand what you are bringing to the table. So all the best to you, and all the best for growing your agency going forward, Om. That were all the questions that I had for you. But before wrapping up the interview, I would like that if you have some message to convey to our audience, we would be happy to listen to it.
Yeah, to be honest, I love it, Saurabh Bhatnagar. And to be honest, personally, uh, from all marketers in India, I personally love Saurabh Bhatnagar. The reason behind that, their work ethics, their knowledge, deep knowledge, everything. Okay, not because of means I first of all I purchased timeline domination. Okay, so I learned that all things. Then again, if I talk about FlexiFunnels, I the most thing I love it is support system. Okay, means if I stuck somewhere because I'm not technical guy. Okay, I don't know what to do. Okay, so if I ask my query within 2 to 3 minutes, I got a replies that, oh, okay, I'm here. You have to do this. You have to click here and here. Okay, and my problem is resolved. So that is thing is very good. Support system is really great. Okay, yeah, along with that, there is no question about landing page, the speed of your landing page, loading download page. There is no need of Zapier. There are multiple tools are there. Okay, so I'm really happy. Okay, and yeah, and it's India's first funnel builder, and I really want to achieve great, because it's not only about FlexiFunnel. If you are providing us value, so it's like we have to provide you also value. Okay, so I'm really happy. Okay, and yeah, and we will do something big.
Definitely, Om. Thank you
Right.
so much for this lovely interview. I just love the conversation, and we wish you all the best for your growth and success in life. We'll see you soon. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much for your support and everything.
Yeah, our pleasure. Thank you.